Good morning, students. In chapter 5, that is acids, bases, and salts, we have already discussed about the what are acids, what are bases. Now we will discuss about some indicators which are prepared naturally. First one is the litmus indicator. Here, this is lichen, and this litmus as an indicator is prepared from this lichen. Here a dye is extracted from lichen, and the solution of litmus in distilled water, that is mauve in color. The color of this lichen is purple. So this solution is neutral litmus solution. And how does a litmus solution work, that we will discuss. Generally we can extract the litmus solution from this lichens. Here two solutions are given. This one is the acidic solution, and this one is the basic solution. And when neutral litmus solution is added to an acidic solution, this is a strip of litmus indicator that are available in the market also. So this strip when we dip in the acidic solution, this blue litmus paper turns red. Okay, what is the changes? When this blue litmus paper is dipped in acidic solution, blue litmus paper turns red. And here this is the basic solution. In this, when red litmus paper dipped in the basic solution, it turns blue. Means here opposite reaction is showing. Okay. This litmus solution is available in the laboratory in the form of red litmus solution and blue litmus solution also, and we can make red litmus solution of few drops of acid are added to the neutral litmus solution. Sometimes this thin paper also available, so we can taste whether the present substance is acidic in nature or basic. Now move on the second natural indicator, that is the turmeric. Here turmeric is also a natural indicator. It is obtained from the turmeric plant. This we are using in our home also as a spice in all type of vegetables, rice, in many things we are using it. It is used as an indicator in the form of turmeric paper. We can prepare this at home also. How we can prepare it? Take tablespoon of turmeric powder, add little amount of alcohol and make a paste. Take some turmeric powder, add alcohol in this and make the paste. Okay. Spread the turmeric paste on a blotting paper. Take blotting paper and spread this paste on the blotting paper and let it dry. Okay. So the yellow paper thus obtained is the turmeric paper. जो ये yellow paper आपको मिलेगा, it is a turmeric paper. Cut thin strips of the turmeric paper. You can use these thin strips of turmeric paper as an indicator. Bases turn yellow turmeric paper red. If you put this yellow turmeric paper in the basic solution, it will turn red. Acids and neutral substances like sugar solutions show no effect on turmeric paper. So yellow turmeric paper is an indicator to identify basic solutions only. Okay, if you put this yellow turmeric paper in acidic and neutral solution, they will not show any reaction or not showing any change in color. But if you put this turmeric paper in basic solution, it will turn red. This you can taste at your this you can do at home also. If sometimes while eating on our white cloth, जो हमारे सब्जी, कई बार सब्जी के दाग लग जाते हैं, so if you apply a soap over that spot, it will turn red. This you can do at home. Okay. And this third one is the China rose indicator. This is easily available. Okay, you can collect some petals of China rose flower and place them in beaker. Add some warm water. Keep the petals of China rose immersed in warm water for some time till water in the beaker becomes light pink in color. Filter the solution. Light pink filtrate is China rose indicator. See here, this is China rose indicator. Here, if you apply this China rose indicator as a light pink, if you put this China rose indicator in acidic solution, it will turn in dark red. And in basic solution, if you take this basic solution, China rose indicator, if you add in basic solution, it shows green in color. Okay, so China rose indicator has no effect on neutral substances. Okay, in acidic it shows dark pink color, and in basic solution it shows green color. Next one is the phenolphthalein indicator. How we can prepare this phenolphthalein indicator? It is human made, or you can call it a synthetic. It is not a natural. Phenolphthalein is an organic dye. Phenolphthalein indicator is prepared by dissolving phenolphthalein dye in alcohol. Its solution is colorless. See, phenolphthalein dye is mixed with alcohol. So this phenolphthalein is not having any color, it is colorless. If you add this in acidic solution, it shows pink color. Okay, phenolphthalein indicator remains colorless in acidic and neutral solution. Sorry, here if you add this in basic solution, it shows pink color, and in acidic and neutral solution, it do not shows any color. Last one is the methyl orange. It is also a synthetic indicator. It has orange color in neutral solution. It turns red in acidic solution and yellow in basic solution. Okay students, so this is all about the different types of indicators which we are using in our for testing the nature of the substance, is it acidic or basic. Next topic we will discuss in our next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.